abstract a few characters from the string. For example, if I want to abstract only BCD, I can abstract using the fixed width. I just select all text to column. Here I will select fixed width. Next, here I just write like yeah, like split the text. Then I will select this one because I want to skip the number, and I will select do not import column column skip, so it's this column will skip, and I will like input, and I will input here. Yeah, then finish. Yeah, so it's only abstract the first four character from the text.